Good morning, folks. Let's go to a new introduction, the Greenland Ice Sheet page. You may have found it when I linked the Arctic Ice pages due to cross-links and collaborations, but in case not, terrific near-daily tracking of the situation here. They also give good past-year comparisons for perspectives on the data. I've got it and the original Arctic Ice page linked for you below in case you need them. Let's hop to the TRMM's animation of Lorena taking in beautiful Mexican coastlines. The storm is disorganized, but still a major rainmaker, and still sending moisture north, causing major flood warnings in what is supposed to be the U.S. desert. Meanwhile, the severe watch north of that holds today should actually extend eastward along the convergence, where storms will be more isolated than they are out west, but potentially as powerful where the air masses meet. By the way, that power low in eastern Canada has such strong southward force on the backside that we have frost warnings in various New England states today. Still keeping an eye on the African coastline as well. Probability for development is growing. Last night we showed images and video of the flash flooding and super hailstorm that followed a near-breaking heat wave in the UK. It's all about that low pressure, and it continues its campaign across Europe today. For the time being, precipitation is moderate and sticking south at New Zealand, with Tassie on deck to take it tomorrow. Also, number of family dogs succumbing to that mystery illness is rising in Ohio. They still have no answer for us. Let's go to space. Observers of the evening news know Boots kicked the gamma signature in the direction of the Swift detector last night. Sunspots have taken a break. Even beyond their unwillingness to fire, they are conspicuously absent here at solar maximum, along with its flares. Solar wind is not completely quiet, with some density jolts there and potential rising speed and plasma temperature. So far, no geomagnetic instability, but the KP is rising, and ACE registered a high-energy proton spike last night. GOES currently shows nothing of the sort, but one wonders if the coronal hole stream from our previous opening is now arriving at Earth. Mercury and Mars magnetically connected to our star just behind the limb on the backside there, with Venus and Earth on the Earth-facing disk. Openings in the blue umbral fields reveal a big incoming coronal hole, which ISWA now has tied for the strongest coronal hole in the Sun, but with evidence still existing of powerful outward magnetic force. A quick word on yesterday's 6.5 in Guatemala. This is a highly populated area. Some houses were brought down, there was some damage, but considering what that density overlay looks like here, we're lucky this wasn't much worse. Watch score dropped to 5 last night. Had some 5-pointers in Indonesia, Chile, Tonga, but the surprise location is Greece, making good on that Euro uptick I mentioned yesterday morning. Or maybe that's not surprising, I don't know. Either way, I'm inclined to keep the watch low to moderate while we await that big dog coming in up top. Might get a few in the lead up. But the primary solar watch today is for plasma filaments. We've seen their eruptive potential and should keep an eye out today. Eyes open. No fear, it's 6:55 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's the news. Be safe, everyone.